Hello, welcome back everyone to your phonics lesson with Fatma. Now, last video we had a look at a new sound. Now, can anyone remember what sound that was? Yes, well done. It was the G sound. Fantastic. Now, I hope you had the chance to find other words that had the G sound in them. Now, this time we're going to look at another new sound. And that is, I wonder what sound this makes. I think we're going to have a look at our Fingers Phonics Big Book to find out. We have a new story. A family have just moved in to a new house. In his new bedroom, the little boy can reach the light switch from his bed. He turns the light on and off, making a on-off sound. I think our new sound makes the sound. Can you say that with me? Fantastic, well done. Now, to remember this sound, there's an action that goes with it. And it goes like this. So imagine turning switch on and off and say, oh. Can you try that with me? Oh. Fantastic. Now the sound can be found in the word on. Can you say that with me? On. And in the word off. Say that with me. Off. And in the word lost. Lost. And octopus. Octopus. And in the word hot. Hot. Fantastic. Now, with our new sound, see if you can find any other words that might have the sound in them. Off you go, have fun.